You guys, Geared Brian, and today we're going to be talking about which impact gun is best for you, whether it's talking about the price or it's talking about the power. We're going to show you various different impacts from various different brands, and we can furthermore help you find the best impact gun for you. So as we dive into it, you can see we have air impacts and we have plenty of battery powered impacts. And as you can see here, starting from all the way to the left, we have the Dewalt, and this Dewalt is 400 foot-pound. Now I love this design because it's a very stubby, compact impact gun. It's a 12-volt system, and you can find these for a reasonably price. Now I got this from Lowe's for about 162 with the battery impact, with the battery, and then you have the bigger battery and the charger. So two batteries, a small battery, a big battery, and a charger for $162, and it's compact. So this is really nice. This is the best bang for your buck when it comes to a nice stubby impact gun. Now, when we're talking about stubby impact guns, we also have a palm air impact. Now, this is not going to be as useful for people who don't work in a shop or have access to air, but for those who do, this one delivers 405 foot-pounds of torque, and it's a lot more stubbier than this Dewalt right here. Now, the best part about this is literally a palm impact, so it's very easy to trigger the system, switch over, and have that at the literal palm of your hand. So it's really nice to have these palm air impacts. They really pack a punch, and you can really get into tight spots that most impact guns really can't get into. This is one of the smallest impacts that I have out of all these impacts. Now, as we go up in power, we have the Seesii. Now, this Seesii is 479 foot-pounds of torque. I believe this one was about $100 or so. This one comes with two batteries, two 21-volt batteries, a charger, and some sockets. Now, I really like it because the 21-volt batteries really pack a punch, and they last a very good amount of time. I have no complaints on this Seesii. I just don't use it as often because I have these two, which are my complete favorites right now. So this is 479 foot-pounds of torque. It gets most of the job done, but it won't get very tight fangs. When you have impact guns in these torque ranges, they get a decent amount done, but they can't get everything done. And I forgot to mention, this one's a 3/8 impact, and this is a 1/2 impact. So 1/2, 479 foot-pounds of torque. Now, this is very good impact for those starting out, those not doing too much. It can easily get tires done. It could easily get most jobs done with 479 foot-pounds of torque. It's a really nice overall impact that I used to use pretty often. Now, as we go up the ladder, we have the impact called Robustrue. Now, this is an Amazon impact that not a lot of people heard of. It's essentially another Seesii. It's made from BL Motors, just like Seesii is made from BL Motors. And as you can see right here, BL motor. So the cool thing about this is not only is it a beautiful, nice screen, like my cool logo, but this is 740 foot-pounds of torque, and it's very lightweight. So the cool thing is you're getting two 21-volt batteries, some sockets, extension, and a charger for about $130. So really cool, really nice. It's compact. It's a lot more compact than my Juggernaut impact gun, you know. And then the Seesii over here, this is 479 foot-pounds of torque. This is 740. So look at the size difference. This one feels a little bit more heftier than this one. This one's very lightweight, and like I said, looks cool. You get two batteries, you get a charger, some sockets for only $130. So all around, this is a very good value. And the cool thing is, this is essentially a mid-torque impact gun. You know, it's in between the 400 and the high 1200 foot-pound impact guns. It's a very nice mid-torque impact gun that's compact and can get into nice tight spots. So I highly recommend this for somebody looking for more power for less money. Now, next on the list, we have everyone's fan favorite, the Milwaukee M18. Now, this one's nice because it's actually pretty stubby and compact. It's 650 foot-pounds of torque, and it's just as compact, actually more compact than the Robustrue over here. Now, both are similar because they both have different settings, like it has 1 to 3 different settings for speeds. So you have your high speed and your lower speeds. Same with the Robustrue and the Seesii. Unfortunately, the low end 400 foot-pound does not have any settings, but it really doesn't need any settings. Now, the downside to the Milwaukee is a little bit more pricier. However, they're running a really good deal right now where you could get the impact, the battery, and the charger for only $200. Normally, it's about, I want to say $400 for the entire kit, but right now it's literally half the price. So go check it out. I'll link all these tools down below. But this one's really nice because it's 650 foot-pounds. I've been using it for a while now, and it's pretty nice. So I'm actually really loving this one. These two impacts are my absolute favorites right now. I favor the M18 a little bit more because of the high output battery that I have on it. But both are really freaking cool. These are literally my two favorite impacts as of right now. So, you know, for the price point right now, if you could get it for $200, this is a really nice bang for your buck. Really nice, really strong, and really reliable. And again, these are both 1/2 inch impacts. impact guns. Now, last but not least, we have the Dewalt over here, and this one is an absolute juggernaut. It's pretty hefty, it's pretty big. Now, this one is 1,400 foot-pounds of torque. A lot of torque in this really big impact gun. Now, the cool thing is you could get these on Amazon for about $292 for the impact, the battery, and the charger. So really absolute good deal for one of the strongest impact guns you could get on the market right now. So really nice, really affordable, and really something you should have in your arsenal in general. Now, when it comes to impact guns in general, what I always recommend, have a lightweight impact and a heavyweight impact. You always want one that can fit into nice tight spots and impact stuff out, and one that can always get the job done if something's really tight. So have a lightweight and a heavyweight. Now, if you can afford it, it's always good to have a mid-torque. Now, these two are mid-torque impact guns. These are the lighter ones. This is the heavier one, but these are two mid-weight impact guns, and you really want them. These are nice because, like I said, they range from 640 to 740 foot-pounds of torque. So they're both really can do stuff that the small impact can do, and some of the stuff that the bigger impact guns can do. These can get a lot done, and these just get anything done. The only downside is they are very heavy. They're very not as compact as all these other impacts. So this is the downside when it comes to having a big one. But this, really much worth it. I'll link it again down in the description below to get one. I highly recommend you guys grabbing one of these. 1,400 foot-pounds of torque is insane. For $292, you got to grab it right now. I think they're on Amazon. Again, I'll link it down below. And again, last but not least, we have the Ingersoll Rand. Now, this one, I believe, is 650 foot-pounds. I've seen better days, but has always been reliable. Now, again, it's an air impact just like this one. This one's 400 foot-pounds. This one's 600 foot-pounds. This one, I believe, you could get for $190-ish, and this one you could get for about $200. So both affordable, both nice to have if you have air impacts. So this is a good compact impact to have. This is a good strong impact to have. So really nice to have in general. Now, when it comes to recommending impact guns for beginners, I highly recommend, if you're a beginner, you don't have that much money, the Robustrue is definitely my top pick for the best bang for your buck. You're getting $120. You could get two 21-volt batteries, a charger, and a couple sockets, and it's 740 foot-pounds of torque. It's freaking insane. So for a beginner, highly recommend you getting this because it's going to get a lot done, not just wheels and tires. It can get a lot of tough bolt done. Now, for my beginner or seasoned mechanics, I highly recommend you guys getting Robustrue as well. But the M18 is all around great mid-torque impact gun. It has a really good amount of power. It's very compact, and it's just all around a nice feeling impact gun. Multiple different settings, feels very well built, and it's just a really nice impact gun to have. So you can't go wrong with either one. $130 for this bad boy and $200 as of right now for this bad boy. It's a game changer. So highly recommend you guys getting this. When it comes to beginner or seasoned mechanics, these two impact guns are perfect. Now, again, with the heavyweight, this is the next runner-up that I highly recommend. So these three impact guns are the ways to go when it comes to mid-torque and heavyweights. Now, with the lighter weight, I don't really recommend the Seesii. It's just not my favorite right now, but still not a bad impact gun to get. So if you want to get it, you could still get it. But this is also a very great stubby impact gun to get. Really nice, really gets into the spots. And again, if you can get a palm air impact, these bad boys are freaking awesome. It can get into the tightest spots that none of these impact guns can get into, and it has 400 foot-pounds of torque, which is absolutely insane. So my top pick, when it comes to heavyweight, this one beats all. And when it comes to mid-torques, the Milwaukee 18 definitely comes out on top. But for the price, the Robustrue is the best bang for your buck. So overall, these four impacts are your best bang for your buck. Whether you want something nice and stubby that can get into tight places with a good amount of power, whether you want something that's in between, that's both compact and has a great amount of power, or you just want something with absolutely all the power you can get, these four impacts are your absolute best to go for, and they're all affordable and will not break the bank. So again, definitely check these out. The links to all these impact guns will be down below, and if you want to see more videos just like this one, be sure to subscribe, and it really helps us out.